Okay, I'm going to show you how to change Cerustops in a custom-made cShell. So a custom-made cShell is part of the BTE, behind the ear hearing aid. Here is the Cerustop, which is a wax guard. Okay, so if your hearing aid is not working and you've put a new battery in it, or it's fully charged and it's still not working, chances are the Cerustop or wax guard needs to be changed. It's a good idea to change it once a month if you can. So this is what the package of the Cerustops look like. Okay, this is the kit that's inside the package. So I'm going to pull out a new stick. You can see one side doesn't have anything and the other side has a new Cerustop. So I'm going to take the side that doesn't have anything. I'm going to put it in there, pull it out, and just turn it around and pop the new one in. That's all you have to do, and chances are the hearing aid will be working again if it was causing you any problems. Even if the hearing aid's working, it's still a good idea to change these once a month. Thank you.